In the heart of the forest, a curious rabbit stumbles upon a hidden clearing, her eyes wide with wonder. The ancient tree stood tall, its branches reaching towards the sky, beckoning the rabbit closer with a gentle rustle of leaves. The tree's solemn voice filled the clearing, recounting the tales of the forest's struggle under the merciless drought. Moved by the plight of her fellow creatures, the rabbit sprang into action, sowing the seeds of hope amidst the desolation. With unwavering resolve, Rosie toiled day and night, creating a sanctuary for the thirsty animals to quench their parched throats. As days passed, the clearing burst into a riot of colors, a testament to Rosie's tireless efforts and unwavering dedication to the forest's revival. Standing tall and proud, the ancient tree watched over the bustling forest, a silent guardian of the newfound harmony that filled the air. The once somber forest now echoed with the sounds of laughter and contentment, a living testament to the ripple effect of Rosie's kindness. With a heart full of gratitude and a spirit as bright as the morning sun, the rabbit realized the true power of small acts of kindness in fostering a world where all creatures could thrive.